Notre Dame is a tight-knit community of past, present, and future jugglers. I came to Notre Dame to continue the legacy of my family attending this school and, of course, forge my own path.
Notre Dame is a part of me. The familiar saying of bleed blue is genuine. Not only did my parents and 3 older siblings graduate from here, but all my cousins, aunts, and uncles did as well. Every time I walk into this school, I want to accomplish something new, whether it be acing a test and trying to make principal's list, winning a football game, or building school spirit with student council-led activities. Notre Dame has taught me perseverance, community, and consistency.
ND has provided me with a supportive community that has allowed me to thrive. I've cultivated many lasting relationships with other students and teachers that have pushed me to grow in faith, academics, extracurriculars, and as a person. Know, Love, Serve encompasses our student body's drive to excel not just academically, but our efforts to lovingly serve our community.
Students will receive the faith-based education that encompasses all areas of the academic spectrum, from science to social studies to language to music. Students seeking to continue nurturing the Catholic faith will find great success in doing so here. ND also boasts relatively affordable tuition and easy access via transportation, aspects which have personally turned me away from other schools. Finally, being a Notre Dame juggler means you get to be part of a large, welcoming family that encourages and fosters your growth as an individual. The school spirit and sense of community present here is unlike any other.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our 2024 Open House. I am delighted to stand before you this evening to share the unique and enriching educational experience that awaits your children at Notre Dame Regional Secondary, a place where academic excellence, moral development, and a sense of community converge. Choosing the right high school for your child is a significant decision, one that shapes their future and influences their character. At Notre Dame, we offer not just an education, but a holistic approach to nurturing young minds and hearts. Our commitment to providing a Catholic education is rooted in values that guide our students to become responsible, compassionate, and well-rounded individuals. First and foremost, our dedicated faculty members are committed to academic excellence. We believe in challenging all of our students to reach their full potential and preparing them for the challenges of a rapidly changing world. Our rigorous curriculum, complemented by a wide range of extracurricular activities, ensures that students not only excel academically, but also develop critical thinking skills and a love for learning. Notre Dame boasts an outstanding array of extracurricular activities for all students in all grades. Opportunities in leadership, fine arts, technology, performing arts, and athletics are just some of the examples of many opportunities offered to your sons and your daughters. Our school community is grounded in Catholic values that serve as the foundation for strong character development. We strive to instill in our students a strong sense of morality, empathy, and social responsibility. Through religious studies, ongoing formation, service opportunities, and a supportive community, we aim to guide our students toward becoming individuals of integrity who contribute positively to society. The relatively small school population at Notre Dame creates an intimate and nurturing learning environment. This allows our experienced educators to provide personalized attention to each student, addressing their unique strengths and challenges. Our students not only receive an excellent education, but also benefit from a close-knit community that fosters lasting relationships and a sense of belonging. Under the umbrella of our Catholic identity, Notre Dame embraces diversity and welcomes students from different backgrounds. We believe in fostering an inclusive environment that celebrates the richness of different cultures and perspectives. As parents, your choice of a high school is a pivotal moment in your child's life. By choosing Notre Dame, you are not just selecting an educational institution. You are choosing a community that is rooted in that which endures the test of time, the pursuit of excellence in a Catholic Christian setting. So parents, I invite you to explore our campus, meet our teachers, our parents, and our students, and witness firsthand the vibrant community that sets Notre Dame apart. Together, let us embark on a journey of academic and spiritual growth for your children, ensuring they are well prepared for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Thank you for considering Notre Dame for your child's high school education. We look forward to welcoming all of you into our community and working together to shape a bright future for all your children. Thank you.